Hi, I'm Dr. Edwin Williams. I'm a facial rejuvenation specialist. I'm here to answer your questions about facelift surgery in conjunction with using a chin augmentation. One of the questions I get asked from my patients all the time: should it be done together? And not only should it be done together, but it's done all the time together. In fact, probably 1 in 5 of my patients have a chin augmentation at the same time that they have a lift. And the reason why is, if you think about it, it makes perfect sense. If you have lost support of the tissue and everything's settled, the thing that will allow us to redrape that is good bony structure. And so if someone has a weak chin, you're going to have a much nicer and much cleaner jawline with a chin augmentation that is done correctly at the same time. It also allows us access to do some liposuction on the neck. What is the material that we use? And by the way, I like to go through this incision because we do the liposuction anyway, rather than going through the inside of the mouth. But some people put it through the mouth. Like I said, I think it's a little bit better through the neck. Now, this is what the chins look like. This is blue, but the implant that I use is actually Silastic covered with Gore-Tex. It's the type of implant I've used for almost 20 years now. And I've never had to take one out. Sometimes patients are a little reluctant. They say, well, I don't know, I don't want to look like a Jay Leno. And I say, look, here's the deal. If for some reason you don't like the chin, I will take it out. And I've never had to do that. So we're pretty good at sizing that correctly, and we can actually give the patients a pretty good idea by looking at computerized imaging. We put their views side by side. We show them what it would look like with a very conservative enhancement. So what I like about this implant is that I've used for many, many years, it's not just a little button implant here. It's very tapered and goes into what we call the pre-jowl area. So as you bring the jowl back, it enhances here. And if you take a look at some of our photos on the website, you can see it just gives them a much more natural jawline, because that is what's important to the patient. So I hope that answered your questions about having a chin augmentation at the same time as a lift. And I wish you the very best in doing your research.